So Yara and Maeda, what's it like being representatives here at Free Work?
It's really exciting. We have a great privilege of being here and being able to spread the word to the world. Loud?
Yeah.
Louder. It's really exciting. Ha! It's really nice to have the privilege to be here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it too. It's really nice to have this door have had this door opened of like that we can be here as young people, that we can bring our energy into here. And after the first day where I was like really trying to settle in and stop being confused about so many people, I really like that we can also like take action and make little things happen. And yeah, add to the energy here a little bit, make it more free and flexible.
And so what's your experience of the summit and of interviewing people for the films you've been making?
I think through the interviews I actually like got a grasp of the summit, because like this whole like plenums and like people talking on stage, I didn't really like, for me it was like all big words, but I didn't really know what they meant, and I had the feeling they themselves, yeah, there was a lot of talk and not so much doing. And I think through really getting individuals and talking to them and getting the excitement and meeting them personally, I felt really inspired, like far more than by every like keynote speaker.
We have done a couple of interviews, more than a couple. We've done like 4, 5. And so far we haven't been to any, my team at least haven't been to any of the conference. We just wait for people to interview because they're really busy people. But it's always worth it, because in the end they always come up and say something really inspiring that's going to be worth sharing with the world.
Wonderful, thank you. And I just want to ask, what are you doing sitting on a fence behind a circus tent?
Jasmine told us to. We are being awkward, I guess.
You're enjoying the sun.
Yeah.